Hi guys, my name's Sasha and today I want to show you how to make these paper beads. For this project you'll need some paper. I've cut these into like really long triangles. This side's wider than this side, and you'll need glue. I've got wood glue, but if you got a different glue and I used some water to mix with the wood glue to make it a bit not so thick. And then once the beads are dry, I'm going to spray paint them. To make the bead, I'm going to start with the wide end of the paper and I'm just going to roll it around this wooden skewer. I suppose you can use a matchstick if you want the hole inside the bead to be smaller, or wire if you want to make it really small, the hole in between the bead. And then I'm just rolling it on. I've used just like promotional literature, but if you've got fancy paper, that's also nice. And then I just dip the end in and I just bring the glue up with my fingers. I like to get really involved in my projects, so I'm just, then I carry on rolling it up. Just rolling. The glue will hold it all together. Here we go. There we go, all done. And then I'm going to take these outside and put them in the sun to dry, and then we'll spray paint. So all my beads are dry now and I'm going to go and spray paint them. Okay, I've spray painted these beads and they're all dry now, so it's ready to start creating. Here's what I did, a little dream catcher. If you want to see my dream catcher video, I'll link that at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more projects.